for London, however, did not know that fact. The Broad Street pump, a pump that lots of people in London use, was contaminated with cholera because it was right next to raw sewage. Hundreds of people died from the cholera, and no one knew what caused it. I, however, knew that it was caused by contaminated water from the Broad Street pump. To prove my hypothesis, I went around and recorded all the people who had died from cholera and where they lived. I then plotted their homes of the deceased on a map. All the people who had died lived near the Broad Street pump. After we had found this out, we shut down the pump and the cholera outbreak stopped. This method of mapping the disease is still used today. Well, I say that made a pretty big impact on society, if I do say so myself. Plus, if I hadn't stopped the cholera outbreak, London might have died off, or at least a big part of it, and it wouldn't have become the thriving industrial city that it is today. This is why we now separate our drinking water and food from our sewers. Okay, yes. Oh, yeah. Excuse me? You're completely contradicting all the hygiene we just talked about. Oh, your breath is horrible. Oh, I can't stand it. I just ripped off my nose. It's so horrible. Oh. Goodbye. I am physician John. Oh, goodness. Oh, you want to build a snowman?